Recording in progress.
Good afternoon, children.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good
Good
afternoon.
afternoon. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
मैम हम लोग अपना स्कूल डेज चेंज करा सकते हैं?
हाँ क्या
मैम मतलब हम
days?
लोग का जो स्कूल डेज होगा वो चेंज करा सकते हैं?
नहीं, वो according to your roll number only you have to come
ओके मैम.
because that is a rule, beta. According to your convenience you can't do.
मैम लास्ट ईयर अपर्णा मैम ने ऐसा किया था इसलिए मैम मैंने पूछा.
No, but that personally कोई teacher अगर करती है तो that I don't know. But rule is that first day 1 to 22 or 25 will come according to your roll number. जितने बच्चे होंगे उसका 50%. And the next day means Monday 1 to 25 and the next day 26 to 50 or 51, whatever is the strength of the class. Clear?
ओके मैम. ओके मैम. थैंक यू मैम.
Which class are you?
मैम 8D.
8D. Okay. Who is your class teacher?
अर्चना मैम.
अर्चना प्रसाद मैम ना?
यस मैम.
हाँ तो ऐसा नहीं है क्या, कोई प्रॉब्लम है क्या तुम्हारा?
Yes, ma'am.
क्या दिक्कत है बोलो? You talk to her also. आप उनसे बात कर लीजिएगा, ठीक है?
ओके मैम.
Now children, CD section. What are you doing in science? Because this period we will be having science. हाँ? कौन सा चैप्टर चल रहा है आप लोग के क्लास में?
Ma'am, sound. Ma'am, ma'am, ear. Ma'am, sound.
साउंड चल रहा है ना?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ तो in
Yes.
class in my section GH
Yes, ma'am.
discussion of question answer. तो साउंड आप लोग का कहाँ तक कंप्लीट हुआ है आप लोग के इस सेक्शन में?
Ma'am, noise
Have
and
you all
music.
Good
done
afternoon, ma'am.
good
मैम
afternoon.
लगभग हो गया है, एक ही दो पेज बचा है.
हाँ तो amplitude frequency this all are discussed in your class.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. आज हो गया. Yes, ma'am. मैम हो चुका है.
I take this all topics might be left. Okay. Then first of all have a
Okay, ma'am.
short summary of that chapter. एक summary हम बता देते हैं आपको sound chapter का. Just for revision, then we will come to the question answer. Clear? Because in GH today I have to discuss question answer. First of all, if we start talking about sound, then what is the basic cause of production of sound? Sound क्यों कैसे produce होता है? क्यों produce होता है?
Vibrating.
By vibration.
Vibration. Basic cause
Vibration.
of vibration. Then, how is sound produced in human? Yeah, what are the organs of production?
By the vocal cord.
Larynx, vocal cord,
Which are, we have
Vocal
what?
cord.
By vocal cords.
हाँ, ठीक है. Then different animals have got different method of production of sound. In birds, sound is produced with the help of
Rings.
rings,
Ring.
ring of
Soundings.
cartilage, which is called syrinx. Ring of
Syrinx.
cartilage, जिसको syrinx बोलते हैं, and it is present in the windpipe. Then how do mosquitoes and bees, they produce the sound?
Through their wings.
Through their
Right.
wings rapidly.
Okay.
Wings.
By
When they vibrate their wings, the sound is produced.
by vibrating the wings rapidly.
By vibrating the wings.
And the frogs produce the sound by croaking, while croaking and puffing their vocal sac. These are the basic difference between the production of sound in different organisms. Now the topic is propagation of sound. What does this mean? What do we mean by propagation?
To travel. To travel.
Travel of sound.
In the straight
Travel.
line. Travel of sound.
The transference or traveling of the sound is known as propagation of sound. So sound requires a material medium for its propagation. What are those mediums for propagation?
Air,
Liquids and
air, gases,
solid liquid gases.
solid liquid and
Air, solid liquids and gas.
Yes. Then if there are three activities to prove this. Bell jar का एक activity है, एक rubbing of stone in water है, and एक hammering of the vacuum pipe. So in all these cases, in all these activities, what it is trying to prove? That sound requires a material medium to be propagated. That we can see by the bell jar experiment, in which we have to evacuate all the air through the vacuum pump in the jar. And if we will just shake the bell also in the jar, then we cannot hear that ringing of the bell. So what does it prove? That if gaseous medium is also not there, then the bell will not, the sound will be produced, but we can't hear it because the material medium is not present. This is the just a short summary of that activity. Then the second
In vacuum.
activity 7 में क्या दिया हुआ है बताइए आप लोग. What is given in activity 7?
मैम की लिक्विड में भी साउंड प्रोड्यूस होता है, प्रोपोगेट करता है.
से भी साउंड प्रोपोगेट कर सकता है. और इसको कैसे प्रूव किया गया है? बाय रबिंग ऑफ 2 stones inside
in water.
inside the water. So this is for liquid. ये liquid के लिए experiment है. And the third one is for the solid. Solid के लिए है. और one very good example is that solid में सबसे ज़्यादा fastest sound propagation होता है, and that you can prove by putting your ears on the railway track. Railway track पर अगर आप अपना ear लगा कर रखोगे, so you will feel that well before the train is going to reach over there, you can know that on this track the train is arriving. ठीक है? So if we compare the traveling of sound in solid, liquid and gases, in which medium is the sound travels fastest? किस medium में sound सबसे fast? Solid. हाँ. And then comes the liquid.
Solid.
It is gas. Solid, liquid and gas is the
Liquid and then gas.
speed of and this depends upon the speed of the sound wave. Like in air,
Three
what is
medium.
sound wave? Air में speed क्या है sound wave का? These all
330 meter per second.
0.33 kilometer per second.
330 meter per second. ठीक है? And the speed of this water, through water, sound in water is
1,500 meter per second.
1,500
1500 meter per second.
meter per second. Now the next topic is light propagates faster than sound. Sound में sound से ज़्यादा light का speed है and that is 3 lakh kilometer per second. That is why when we hear the flash, when we hear the thundering,
Second.
it comes after the flash of light. ये ऐसा क्यों दिखता है? Just because of a vast difference between speed of sound and speed of light. कभी आप लोग watch किए हो propagation of light and sound at the same time?
No, ma'am.
बारिश होती है तो बिजली पहले कड़कती है या पहले
Yes,
आपको
ma'am.
एक थंडरिंग सुनाई देता है?
Yes, ma'am.
क्या सुनाई देता है
बिजली
पहले?
पहले कड़कती है मैम।
पहले बिजली कड़कती है और तब उसके बाद
मैम
sound
पहले बिजली कड़कती है।
हाँ, तो that means and what is the reason behind it? The reason is that the speed of light is much more faster than compared to speed of sound. Clear? और speed of sound तो आप लोग जानते हैं क्या है? What is it?
Yes, ma'am.
330
Yeah.
meter per second.
330 meter per second.
0.33 kilometer per second.
into 10 to the power 8 meter per second.
हाँ ठीक है, तो वो लैक्स में है और ये डिफरेंस कितना में है? लाइट का प्रोपोगेशन मिलियन टाइम्स फास्टर है साउंड के प्रोपोगेशन। ठीक है, देन कम्स योर टॉपिक।
Ma'am, you are muted yourself.
ये तीनों
Yes.
टर्म सबको क्लियर है या नहीं?
Yes,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
clear है.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Clear
Yes,
है.
ma'am.
एम्पलीट्यूड किसको बोलते हैं?
Yes, ma'am. Clear है।
Tell me amplitude. What is amplitude?
The maximum
The maximum
displacement
displacement
of
of
vibrating
vibrating
body
body
on either
on
side
either
of its
side
central
of
Vibrating
or
body on
position
either
is
side
called
of its central position is called its amplitude of an object.
हाँ, the maximum displacement of vibrating body on either side of the vibrating body. ठीक है, फिर time period.
The vibrating body completes its one cycle of the to and fro.
The vibrating body complete its one cycle of to and fro motion in a fixed time interval. The time interval in which an object completes this to and fro motion is called time period.
Yes, correct.
The time taken by a vibrating body to complete one vibration is called time period.
हाँ ठीक है, then frequency. A vibrating body completes a fixed number of cycle. 1 मिनट में टाइम भी फिक्स्ड है और नंबर ऑफ साइकिल्स भी फिक्स्ड है, then that is known as the frequency. और तीनों का यूनिट क्या है? एम्पलीट्यूड का यूनिट है मीटर, टाइम पीरियड का यूनिट है सेकेंड,
Second.
हाँ, और फ्रीक्वेंसी का यूनिट क्या है?
Second.
Per second.
Frequency का hertz.
नाउ एम्पलीट्यूड लाउडनेस किस पर डिपेंड करता है? साउंड कितना लाउड होगा ये किस पर डिपेंड करता है?
Amplitude. Amplitude.
Amplitude of sound.
Pitch will depend upon frequency. Pitch will depend upon frequency.
Okay, which will depend upon frequency. Then audible and inaudible sound किसको बोलते हैं?
The sounds which can
The
hear
sound.
by our ears are known as audible, and the sounds which cannot be
Audible
heard
sounds are the sound which we can hear, and the inaudible sounds are the
inaudible
which
sound.
we can't hear is called inaudible sounds. Both infrasonic and ultrasonic as inaudible sound.
Both infrasonic and ultrasonic दोनों. First of all, are you understanding what is infrasonic and what is ultrasonic?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
What is infra?
Ma'am,
Below
sound which
Infrasonic, the sound which is less
lower
from 20 hertz, and ultrasonic, the sound which is higher from 20,000 hertz.
Frequency higher than 20,000 hertz.
Less than 20 hertz.
You are correct. 20 to 20,000 hertz is your range of hearing, and below 20 is infra, and above 20,000 is ultra. And these two sound waves we cannot hear. They are inaudible. Then noise और music तो आप लोग समझते हो. Noise
Yes,
किसको कहते हैं? Non-periodic vibration को noise कहते हैं, and periodic vibration को music कहते हैं. And they are
Unpleasant
so many
sound.
sources. Noise pollution का बहुत सारा source है. That is
Yes, ma'am.
different
Vacuum.
noise coming from our traffic, then our
Vacuum.
machines, street noise, factories, equipments, dripping of tap. These all are your sources, and they can cause very serious problem, health problem like frustration, nervousness, hypertension. These all are known as these all are the diseases caused. And for that we have got some measures also we can take to limit noise pollution. And those who are having some partial disability, they can use hearing aid. So this is the overall summary of your chapter. Now, children, please come to the question answer. Birds have a ring of cartilage called syrinx.
Syrinx.
Syrinx in their
Sardine.
windpipe. Syrinx in their windpipe. The SI unit of loudness of sound is bell.
Decibel. Decibel.
Bell या decibel कुछ भी नहीं. The pitch of
Decibel.
sound
Decibel.
is defined by its frequency.
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 Sound of
Amplitude.
frequency more than 20 kilohertz are known as
Audible.
ultrasonic.
Ultrasound.
Audible. Ultrasound.
Audible, no, audible ठीक है. Audible
Ultrasound.
ultrasonic wave 20 kilohertz है ना, तो audible कैसे होगा वो? Inaudible बोलोगे ना. 20 kilohertz का मतलब होता है 20,000. तो चाहे तो अल्ट्रासोनिक बोलो, नहीं तो inaudible बोलो. An irregular irritating sound is referred to as a noise.
Noise.
Human beings as well as all animals
Noise.
have a voice box for producing their characteristic sound. False. Of the three mediums,
True.
solid, liquid, and gases, solid propagates fastest in liquid. False.
True.
True.
False.
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 False होगा.
False.
Sound
Yes.
cannot propagate through
True.
vacuum.
True.
Light propagates through vacuum with a speed that is nearly million times more than the speed of sound in air. True. The frequency of a given sound determines its shrillness or flatness. True.
True.
Irregular, non-periodic vibration generally produce musical
True.
sound. False.
True.
False होगा.
False.
vibration.
Then take the correct answer. The maximum displacement of a vibrating body on either side of its mean position is known as
Amplitude.
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 Frequency of a given sound is 1.5
Amplitude.
hertz. The vibrating body is then completing 1,500 vibrations.
100 vibration.
Completing 1500 vibration in 1 second.
Sound can propagate through all the three states of matter. Fourth option. When lightning and thunder take place, they occur together, but the thunder is observed a little after lightning. Third option.
Together, but the thunder is observed a little before the lightning.
Yes. A given sound is inaudible to the human ear. We can then say that this is so because it has any one or more of their the three characteristics listed above. The following are statements about sound. Option number 3, 1 and 2 only. Out of these, the correct statement are 1 and 2. Third option आपका book का. Answer the following questions in brief. Name the cause that is regarded as the basic cause of all
मैम
sound.
हेलो
Yes.
मैम मैम एक बार रिपीट कर दीजिएगा
Vibration.
Yeah, take the correct option.
यस मैम
Take the correct option में first का लिखो amplitude. Second, completing 1500 vibration, first option. Third, last option, all the three states of matter. Fourth, third option. Together but the thunder is observed a little after lightning. Fifth, last option. Because it has any one or more of the three characteristics listed above. The following are some statements about sound. Third option. 1 and 2 only. Written?
Yes, ma'am.
यस मैम
हो गया?
Yes, ma'am.
यस मैम
The cause that
एक
is
बार
Yes,
regarded
ma'am.
as the basic cause of all sound, vibration. Name two musical instruments which
Vibration.
vibrating string. Guitar or
Guitar and
sitar or ektara.
Sitar.
Guitar, sitar
Guitar
or
and
ektara.
sitar.
मैम पहले का क्या होगा?
पहला vibration होगा.
वाइब्रेशन
First vibration. Second, guitar or sitar or ektara, any of the instrument name you can write. To which state of matter does sound propagate with slowest speed? Air.
Gases.
Fastest?
Gaseous.
First is solid. Solid.
Solid. With
Solid.
slowest speed air या gas लिख सकते हो. Fastest speed solid. Define the following term. Also write the SI unit. Come to page number 224. 224 पेज निकालिए. Amplitude, time period and frequency
Ma'am,
of
निकालिए.
vibration जो है ना टॉपिक, उसका सेकंड
Yes,
लास्ट
ma'am.
लाइन. This maximum displacement लिखा हुआ है. आप लिखिए the maximum
Yes, ma'am.
displacement. The maximum displacement of a vibrating body on either side of its central position is called its amplitude. SI unit, meter. The maximum displacement of a vibrating body on either side of its central position is called its amplitude. SI unit, meter. Time period, just in the same page. The vibrating body completes its one cycle of to and fro motion in a fixed time interval. This time interval is called its time period. Example, second. Then third, a vibrating body completes a fixed number of cycles of vibration in 1 second. This number is known as its frequency. The SI unit of frequency is hertz. Name the characteristic of a vibrating body which determines loudness. क्या होगा? Amplitude.
Amplitude.
Which of the sound? Frequency.
Frequency.
The frequencies of male and female voices in human beings are nearly 1 kHz and 1.5 kHz. Which of the two voices is likely to be flatter? Male voice. First में लिखिए male voice.
Male voice.
Second has a higher pitch, female voice. Then question number 7. When is a given sound regarded as a musical sound or music? Come to page number 228. Page 228, first paragraph. Sounds give us a pleasant and comfortable feeling. We call all such sound as musical sound. Such sounds are produced by regular or periodic vibrations. Sounds give us a pleasant and comfortable feeling. We call all such sound as musical sound. Such sounds are produced by regular or periodic vibrations. All of you are
मैम
marked?
एक बार और रिपीट. Yes.
Page 228. First paragraph. Sounds give us a, या लिखो, those sounds which give us a pleasant and comfortable feeling. We call all such pleasant sound as musical sound. Such sounds are produced by regular or periodic vibrations. Now, next question, E1. D हो गया सबका complete?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Explain briefly
Yes,
the
ma'am.
production of sound in human beings. Page number 220. Page number 220, second paragraph. It is the voice box or the larynx of the human body system that help us to produce sound. The voice box has two vocal cords stretched across it. They are stretched across the voice box in such a way that there is a narrow gap or slit between them. Air can pass through this slit. Next paragraph. The lungs force air through the slit between the vocal cord, and this makes them vibrate and produce sound. The human body has muscles attached to the vocal cord. These muscles can pull the attached ligament and make the vocal cord tighter or loosened up and thinner or thicker. These changes in the vocal cord help to change the pitch of the sound produced and make it shriller or flatter. Once again, you see E1 answer, page number 220, second paragraph complete. It is the voice box or larynx. And third paragraph, till make it shriller or flatter. Got the answer, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Then, how does the mechanism of production of sound in birds differ from that in human beings? Come to page 221, second paragraph. Birds have a ring of cartilage called syrinx in their windpipe. They use it instead of vocal cord in their voice box to produce their characteristic sound. But
Page
write down there. But human beings produce sound by means of vocal cord.
Ma'am, page number.
पेज नंबर 221 बर्ड्स के बारे में यहाँ से लिख लो सेकेंड पैराग्राफ से. Birds have a ring of cartilage till characteristic sound, and then write down. It is a comparative question, so you will write down about human beings. But human beings produce sound by means of vocal cord. ये आपको लिखना पड़ेगा, या ऊपर वाले लाइन से आप अंडरलाइन भी कर सकते हैं. But human beings produce sound by means of vocal cord.
Yes,
ऊपर वाले पैराग्राफ में ये लाइन दिया हुआ. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Now describe a simple experiment to show that sound cannot propagate through vacuum. Listen, children, in this question, you have to write down the experiment. तो experiment लिखने के लिए पहले 3 step है. Materials required. That is written on the blackboard. You can note down: bell, jar, cork, adhesive, and vacuum pump. ये आप लोग को, these are the materials required in that process. So write it down, note it down. Bell, jar, cork, adhesive, and vacuum pump. Then comes the procedure. ये आपको बुक से लिखना है. 222 पेज नंबर निकालिए. Activity 6.
Yes, ma'am.
Take a small bell jar having a cork fitted in its neck. यहाँ से start करिए और उसके second paragraph में sound of the bell when the jar is shaken. Till there you have to write down.
Ma'am, please repeat the answer.
Huh?
Ma'am,
Ma'am, please repeat the answer.
Yes, ma'am.
पहले आप लोग ये materials required लिख लिए. Have you written this?
yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
हाँ,
ma'am.
उसके बाद procedure में आइए 222 पेज में. Activity 6. Take a small bell jar. यहाँ से start करो और उसका जो second paragraph है उसका 4th line. Jar is shaken. When the jar is shaken.
और मैम पहला वर्ड से मैम कहाँ से स्टार्ट करेंगे?
या फिर यहाँ तक लिख लीजिए. You may see the bell vibrating, but you do not hear its ringing sound. यहाँ तक लिखो process. You may see the bell vibrating, but you do not hear its ringing sound. Write down till here in procedure. Then the last one is conclusion. Then come to the book. Conclusion लिखने के बाद dash दोगे और लिखोगे. This is because of the absence of air in the jar. This shows that sound needs a medium for its propagation. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
कंक्लूजन कहाँ से लिखना है?
Conclusion लिखना है जो third last line है ना activity का, वहां से this is because of the absence of air in the jar. यहाँ से conclusion लिखना है. ठीक है? Till propagation.
प्रोड्यूसर मैम क्लोज है ना? प्रोड्यूसर
प्रोड्यूसर नहीं है, प्रोसीड्योर है. प्रोड्यूसर प्रोड्यूस कर रहे हो कुछ चीज, वर्ड का मीनिंग समझा करो. प्रोसीड्योर, इट इज रिटन ऑन द ब्लैक बोर्ड. प्रोसीड्योर या प्रोसेस बोलो. और डायग्राम भी आप लोग को ये ड्रॉ करना है बेल जार का. बोथ द डायग्राम्स ऑन अ हॉट. हो गया सबका? हैव यू ऑल मार्क?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
किसी को और कोई कंफ्यूजन है उसमें?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Oh, ma'am.
On a hot summer day, a little
No,
mosquito
ma'am.
produces a warning sound near your ear by vibrating its wing at the rate of 3000 wings beat per second. State the frequency in hertz of this sound. 3000 divided by 5. जैसे frequency के लिए आपका एक सिंपल फॉर्मूला दिया हुआ है ना, नंबर ऑफ वाइब्रेशन कंप्लीटेड बाय टाइम टेकन. ये फॉर्मूला दिया हुआ है 225 पेज में. उसी फॉर्मूला पर बेस कर देना है. 3000 आपका वाइब्रेशन है और टाइम टेकन है 5 सेकेंड. तो 5 से 3000 को डिवाइड करोगे, आपको कितना आएगा?
600
हर्ट्ज. फ्रीक्वेंसी को हम लोग हर्ट्ज में मेजर करते हैं, इसलिए उसका आएगा 600 हर्ट्ज. ओके?
Yes, ma'am.
होमवर्क यही है आपका कंप्लीट करने का. एक और क्वेश्चन देख लो अगर टाइम लेफ्ट होगा तो. Explain why we always hear the thunder a little after we see the flash of lightning. Page number 224. Second paragraph. The speed of sound in air till flash of light. Flash of light. Last tak. The speed of sound in air is nearly 330 meters per second till after seeing the flash of light.
Yes, ma'am. कर लिए.
ठीक है?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Homework will be to complete
Yes,
your
ma'am.
question answer. This question answer you completed. ठीक है? Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Hardly
Okay,
time
ma'am.
is left. हाँ, ठीक है।
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank
Thank
you,
you,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Priya.